Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify subscription status with RevenueCat SDK easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring you have the RevenueCat SDK integrated into your project. Open your development environment and locate your main application file. Import the RevenueCat SDK by adding the necessary import statement at the top of your file. Initialize RevenueCat in your application's entry point, usually in the main method or app delegate. Use the setup method from RevenueCat to configure the SDK with your API key. Once initialized, create a method to check the subscription status. In this method, call the getCustomerInfo function available in the RevenueCat SDK. Make sure to handle the completion block to receive the CustomerInfo object. Check the entitlements property of the CustomerInfo object to verify the subscription status. Look for specific entitlements relevant to your subscription model. Determine if the user has an active entitlement by checking the values in the entitlements dictionary. If the user has an active subscription, proceed to update the user interface accordingly. If there is no active subscription, notify the user about the subscription status. Handle any potential errors by using error handling in the completion block. Make sure to call this method at appropriate points in your app, such as on launch or when the user navigates to subscription-related features. Test the implementation to ensure that the subscription status is accurately reflected in your application. Once everything works as expected, finalize your code and prepare for deployment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.